Good morning everyone. In this video I will discuss about one of the important schemes, and in this video I will try to explain about name of the schemes, when it was launched, objectives of these schemes, and who will avail these schemes, and eligibility criteria for getting the opportunities of this scheme. So name of the scheme is Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma scheme, and this one is one of the central government schemes, and this scheme was launched on 17 September 2023, and main objectives of this scheme is to provide support to artisans and craftsmen along with to the small business holders by providing capitals in the form of loans. And these artisans, craftsmen or small business holders can get whole loans around 1 lakh rupees at 5% interest in the first phase, and 2 lakhs rupees as loans at 5% interest in the second phase. And along with that they will get skill development training also, and in that during the training period they will get 500 rupees stipend per day, and along with that they will get 15,000 incentives for purchasing improved tools or equipments, and they will get like Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma certificates and identity cards also. And now question is, who will avail these schemes and how many hours they will get training? First of all, I would explain the training hours, and basically they will get training for 40 hours for basic training and around 120 hours for advanced training. And now who will avail this scheme? And the persons like craftsmen, artisans, potters, sculptors, fishermen, washermen, like blacksmiths, goldsmiths, locksmiths, cobblers, barbers, masons, like this coconut rope artisans, like stone breakers, and maximum persons will be included under this scheme. And main eligibility criteria of these schemes is the person who is going to register under these schemes, his income should be below 3 lakhs per annum, and these schemes will be one of the beneficial schemes for all these persons, so that they can improve their business, they can improve their livelihoods. And also these schemes will provide some facilities like market facilities, export facilities, and also included some expos, so that they will so that their products will be distributed in the market, and advertisement purpose also government will help them. So ultimately this schemes is one of the important and beneficial schemes for this person. Thank you.